Growing potatoes in a laundry basket, does it really work? Imagine walking into your backyard, seeing a pile of old laundry basket and realizing you just stumbled onto a secret potato hack. Sounds crazy? Right. But here's the twist. People around the world are ditching traditional gardens and growing potatoes in laundry baskets, and the results surprisingly impressive. To most, potato planting brings visions of row upon rows of soil on a vast farm. But the truth is, you don't need acres of land or even a garden. If you have ever searched Google for how to grow potatoes in a container or how to grow potatoes in a bucket, you know that urban gardening is trending. Containers, bags, even dollar store pails. People are turning the smaller spaces of their home into potato-producing powerhouse. So let's break down this bizarre experiment, growing potatoes in a laundry basket. First, hear why it works. Potatoes don't just grow in one layer underground, as the potato plants keeps growing upwards, and you can keep adding layers of straw or soil. This process called healing and encourages the plant to keep developing additional tubers higher up on the stem. And what is a laundry basket? A basket with lots of holes in it, perfect for drainage and air circulation. Honestly, you are coupling the science of potato growing with the simplicity of something you probably have lying around the house anyway. The process is simple. Start by lining the basket with straw or old newspaper. Add a few inches of soil and then place your seed potatoes inside. If you have been wondering how deep to plant potatoes, about 4 inches is the sweet spot. Cover them lightly, water well, and as the potato plant grows, keep adding layers of soil or straw until the basket is nearly full. That's it. Easy, efficient, and surprisingly productive. Now, let's tackle the big question. How do potatoes grow? They sprout underground tubers that swell as the plant matures. How long do potatoes take to grow? Depending on the variety, anywhere from 30, 70 to 120 days. If you have asked yourself how many days it takes to grow potato, the average is 90 days. Timing is crucial too. Knowing when to plant potatoes depends on your climate, but early spring is usually best. And here's the surprise that nobody sees coming. This method won't work only for regular potatoes. Gardeners are experimenting with how to grow sweet potatoes in containers, baskets, and bags included, and are pulling in surprisingly good use. So does growing potatoes in a laundry basket work? The answer is yes. If you do it right, it's cheap, space-saving, and a little compared to traditional potato planting. And when it's time to harvest, instead of digging around in hard dirt, you just lift up the whole basket and dump it over. Instant potato treasure chest. If you have been curious about planting potatoes, whether it's how to plant potatoes in a bag, bucket, or basket, here is your sign to take a try. Ignore the idea that you should have a big farm. All you need is creativity, a potato plant, and yes, even a laundry basket. Before you leave, smash that subscribe button and come back soon for more. Unconventional garden cheats, believe me. This is only the start of our exploration of what can be grown is the most likely of location.